Hey there, Steve Brossman here from Business Online TV. Today we're talking health, internal health and everything to do with health with Australia's leading traditional and natural pharmacist, Rosemary Manners. Welcome along.
Oh, thanks, Steve.
Now, traditional and natural, you've got a list of qualifications that's about that long, but can you tell me the difference between you and most other people out there?
Well, after school I went and did a pharmacy degree, and after that wasn't enough. So when I went back and I did a naturopathy degree, and still that wasn't enough. So then I went back and studied the brain for the last 10 years to work out how people make choices to do with health.
Well, because if they go to you, you can have the best of both worlds, can't they? Because you can just go in for the traditional medicines and things like that, as well as the holistic approach, and that's what you do specialise in with all of your clients.
Yeah, that's right. Like most illnesses, you can use the best of modern world and you can go back and use the best of natural therapies and put it together and you'll get the best answer for you.
Now, I said clients and not customers because you work with the people that come into you, and you've got a number of pharmacies on an ongoing basis, don't you? You don't just hear, take a pill, go home. They really do become clients.
Yeah, we do both really. We run pharmacies and when you come in and get your script filled, but what we really offer that's different from anywhere else is we've got a natural health centre. So they can come up, you can sit with me, we can have a conversation about health and work out where your potential is, and you can grow potential. So you can have more energy, you can feel better about yourself, you can have the shape of the body you want and the health that you want.
Talking about the shape of the body you want, you've got some fantastic programs and some short, fast programs, and one of your programs, Thin Within, I think you just say 5 kilos in 5 weeks. Is that the catch cry with that?
Yeah, that's my most popular program actually.
Of
It's
course
really
it is.
funny. Anyway, everybody wants to be the right weight at the right time. So this program's different from any other program because instead of, we teach you what to eat and when to eat, but we also go another step further and we look at any underlying reasons why you're not burning fat, because theoretically, if you're on the right diet, you should burn fat. Right. But sometimes there's underlying things in your body that stop you from burning fat. So we investigate all that. And there's something else we do too.
I'll get onto that because the biggest thing that what you do is you've got I'll call it a weight loss program, but you also work on the mindset as well. And that's where you turn it into the sustainable program.
That's right. That's the other thing we do. Sustainable mindset and body changes.
That's great.
And so it's how you think in relationship to food and how you think in relationship to food and happiness. And we've got a program that you guide yourself through that, and it takes about 5 or 6 weeks and you come out with a completely different mindset.
Now, you've got the Within programs, haven't you? We've got the Thin Within. You've just mentioned happiness. You've written a book about being happy within. Can you tell me about that?
Yes. So that was the first book I wrote, and it's up on Amazon if anybody would like to purchase it.
Okay, great.
And it's called Happiness Within, and it's about choosing the right things for you and for your health.
Now, one of the other great things you've got, and I know because of the baby boomers and the people that are growing a little bit older out there, is your Young Within program that is a brand new one. Can you tell me about that?
Yes, it's great. It's a 6-week program and we go through all different aspects of health to basically make you younger. And I've actually even got a machine that can actually measure your biomarkers, because becoming younger is all about reducing your biomarkers, and biomarkers are signs of aging. So if we can reduce those biomarkers, your age can actually be less than your chronological age.
And I think, well, okay, you've got the weight loss covered, you've got the happiness covered, you've got anti-aging covered. A lot of it does revolve around the internals, isn't it? And yes. Clean Within is
that's right. You've got to clean out. You've got to clean yourself out.
Signature programs.
That's right. So that's probably my second most popular program. Because once a year, maybe even twice a year, depending on what's happening, we live in a toxic soup out there, and it's really good, like you spring clean your house, is to spring clean your insides and make them a bit more clean. And that means you come out of it feeling rejuvenated, lots of energy, your body shape usually changes, and you just feel great about life.
I think you must be on all of your programs because you look fantastic. You've got so much energy. You're so bubbly. I want what she's having. And you can actually have what you're having because you've put the best of the best into a program that is basically called the Ultimate Internal Makeover, haven't you? You've got the best of the best. And can you tell us what you've packaged all in that?
Well, I've packaged 10 great ideas. So you can bounce onto my website and come and have a look and grab some ideas.
We'll have the details below where you can go and get that Ultimate Internal Makeover.
Yeah, so come and grab some ideas right now, and then we can you can start straight away.
Fantastic. That's the best of the best. Now, let me tell you, they are the best of the best. So if you really want to be feeling happy, energized, get the body shape you want, then Rosemary definitely is the person you need to talk to. Click on the link or click on the details that we've got below. Head on over, get the best of the best tips, and you'll start feeling happy and energised as well.
Thanks, Steve. Thanks very much.
Thanks so much for coming in. We're going to have another fantastic and lively interview for you guys again real soon. Cheers.